Hey, Tracy here from BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and in this video I'm doing the unboxing of the Tyndale giveaways for the Fruit of the Spirit Bible Journaling Conference. So if you want to see what Tyndale sent us, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so before we get started, if you like these kinds of videos, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification if you're on YouTube. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open up this box from Tyndale. And want to just thank Tyndale so much for being one of our partners for our free online Bible journaling conference happening October 12th through the 14th. So if you haven't already signed up, go ahead and reserve your seat. We still have some seats left. All right, woo! Woohoo! It is a box of, it looks like Bibles and books. So let's see what we've got in this box. I'm gonna push that kind of up here and grab them one at a time. Actually, I'll just take them all out of the box first. Surprise, look how many awesome things we're getting. So the Fruit of the Spirit Bible Journaling Conference is a free online Bible journaling conference. It is the 4th year we have hosted it here at BibleJournalingMinistries.com. So we are super excited to be able to host it again. And we have reached out to all of our partners that we've partnered with in the past and have asked them to send us some awesome gifts and giveaways for the conference. So I am excited to share those with you. Again, the conference is free. It doesn't cost anything to join, and unless you want to upgrade and get like you know, one of the special passes and help us donate a Bible to an unreached person, you could do that. That would be awesome. But otherwise, it's absolutely free to attend. So hopefully you guys will join us. Again, October 14th, the 12th through the 14th, 2022. And it's online and absolutely no charge to attend. All right, so we have, woo. Okay, so it looks like these might be different. Okay, these are, oh, are they all different? I don't know. Okay, so we have, okay, they are different. Okay, so we have the Chronological Letters from Paul, Volume 1 and Volume 2. I'm going to go ahead and open these up just so you guys can see what they look like. So if you win this one, it's brand new, but you will it will not be in packaging because I'm going to show you online what one of these looks like. So this is an NLT, New Living Translation Bible. This is the Filament Journaling Collection. So that means you can use the app for this, the Filament app, which is amazing. If you haven't had a chance to check it out, check out the Filament app with your Filament-enabled Bible. And when you scan on top of what you're reading, these little doodads here, you will get all kinds of information. It's like having a study Bible in your phone. I'm sorry, a study Bible in your phone. So you don't have to carry around your big study Bibles. And I can't believe it's such a good value because you can use the app with any of these purchases of something that has the filament enabled icons. So it's pretty amazing. So these are just like little tiny journaling Bibles. And again, you can use the Filament app to get the study guide stuff and all kinds of information about what's going on in the text that you're reading. And then, so you have your text on the left side, and on the right side, you have dot grid paper. And then you have text and then dot grid paper throughout the whole thing. There's no margin here, but you can do your notes on this side. All right, so then you get that. So you get 1 Corinthians, 2 Corinthians, 1st and 2nd Thessalonians, and Galatians. And these are just like paperback books, paperback sections of Bibles with really beautiful covers, just really gorgeous. And they have like a gold embossing on them. So this is the NLT Filament Journaling Collection, the Chronological Letters from Paul, Volume 1, 1st and 2nd Thessalonians, 1st and 2nd Corinthians, and Galatians. I don't know what the retail is on these, but they're pretty cool. So you're going to get, whoever gets this is probably going to bundle these up. I'll let Lonnie figure out how he wants to bundle them up. We may give away the entire collection to one person. I'll ask him what he wants to do. But it's pretty amazing. So let me just kind of show you. So we have, let's see. So we have the people of God, which is, and then you can, with this one, you get Matthew, Hebrews, and James. It says, the people of God presents the books of the New Testament written to the Jewish followers of Christ, beginning with the Gospel of Matthew, continuing with the book of Hebrews, and concluding with the book of James. That's kind of cool, because then you can just read, read a collection. That's really neat. It says, this remarkable Bible study experience in the New Living Translation invites you to discover the Messiah through the lens of the original people of God. Use the Filament Bible app on your phone or tablet to scan any page number and dive into a powerful study and devotion experience. That's really cool. So that's the people of God. And then we have the birth of church. And with this one collection, you get Luke, Acts, Mark, 1st and 2nd Peter, and Jude for this one. And then and then the next one is the Alpha and Omega, John, 1st through 3rd John, and Revelation. So this one says, the Alpha and Omega presents the writings of the Apostle John, beginning with the opening words of his gospel in the beginning and concluding with the plea in the book of Revelation. That's cool. And then, of course, we have the letters from Paul. So that is, I don't know, how in the conference we're going to give these away, but I've never seen them before, and they're really cool. So if we give away, the people of God to someone, which, again, I'm going to let Lonnie decide because he really does most of the work for the conference. So I'm going to ask him what he wants to do. The birth of the church, we have the Alpha and Omega, and I know these two will be bundled together. They're chronological letters from Paul. So thank you, Tyndale. These are really cool. I'm super excited to check these out. So fabulous. All right. Then we have an Inspire Bible. I've actually done a review on this before. This is very beautiful. This is it says the Bible for coloring and creative journaling. This is so gorgeous. In fact, we gave one of these away at the conference, either last year or the year before, but it's absolutely stunning. So this is, again, an NLT version of the Bible. And for this one, you have definitely wide margins. So here I have, let me just show you. It's almost like 2 3/4 margin in terms of your inches. Or for those of you guys who like centimeters, about 7.5 centimeters. And then you have these really beautiful vellum pages. And then, of course, with your Inspire Bibles, you have a lot of beautiful things to color. So it's just gorgeous. I love this Bible. It's so pretty. Look at all the great things that you can just, sit here and color. And then if you don't, want to have everything, done for you, you have some blank spaces as well for you to write any notes that you have or do your Bible journaling there as well. So I'm not going to go through all of this, but I just wanted to kind of flip through to show you. And again, don't forget, if you haven't liked the video, surely you would be doing me a favor if you like it now. So please do. And thank you so much for your support of our ministry. All right, so we have here the Inspire 1st and 2nd, 1 Corinthians through 2nd Thessalonians. So this is a coloring book that is just pieces of the Inspire Bible on a lot thicker paper, and it's bigger, obviously. So you can see here how beautiful that is. And then you can even color in the words here as well. And I've done reviews on these coloring books before. So your margin here again is about a little over 2.5, but like from the edge to the text, you're looking at about 4-inch margin. Really super thick pages. So, and there are so many of these different ones now that you can get. So you could just continue to get a collection going and, you know, give them to those that you love as well. They're a great special gift. This actually has a price retailing for $15.99. All right, let's see what we got here. This is another Inspire Bible. This one has a very beautiful navy blue cover, hardcover, with a beautiful rose embossing, rose gold color embossing on it. It's just absolutely stunning, with a beautiful rose gilding on it, the side. It's so pretty. And this one has actually cream colored pages in the middle of it. Let me double check. I don't recall if these were cream colored pages too. Nope, these were white colored, white. So these are white pages and these are cream colored pages. If that makes a difference to you guys when you're thinking about purchasing. If you come to the conference and you don't want one of these awesome Bibles, you can always purchase one from Tyndale. Or they're also actually on Amazon.com and Christianbook.com has them. But yeah, isn't that pretty? Just gorgeous. So I believe I've done a review on this one in the past. If not, I should. It's really pretty. And that is the Inspire Bible in the navy blue with the rose. It's just stunning, just beautiful. All right, so then we have this one. This is the Holy Bible New Living Translation, wide margin journaling edition, filament app enabled awesomeness Bible. This one says the words of Jesus are in red. It's a single column Bible text. It has a lay flat Smithsonian binding and full color visual overview of the Bible. Let's open it up. If you win this one, the box is just a little bit dented, so just wanted to let you know. But the Bible is in good condition. So, oh, that is a very gorgeous cover. Oh, that would look really pretty going into, you know, having it while you're in church. So these are actually white pages here. Margin size is about 2 inches. And then you have the little filament enabled scanning thing for the app. That is absolutely, I mean, this is just a beautiful Bible, and it smells good. Oh, does anyone else smell their Bibles? I do. I smell books all the time. I don't have a price for you on this, but it is gorgeous. Look how beautiful that is. Absolutely stunning. So this is going to be such a fun conference. And not only to attend, we have 19 amazing speakers that will be presenting at the conference, teaching you Bible journaling, as well as having some other discussions with you, all focused on the fruit of the Spirit. I hope you will join us. Again, absolutely free, no cost to you. The link will be in the description. So make sure you click that link and register, and that will be your entry to win some of these amazing prizes. Okay, this is so cool. This is the Inspire Prayer giant print edition. And I remember when this came out, I was like over the moon, super excited. Like I just had to have one of these. And in fact, I actually have given one of these away just from the ministry. We do a annual giveaway on Bibles. And the person who won actually selected to have one of these Bibles sent to them. And I was just like, great idea. It is an amazing Bible. It is super huge and lays flat. It is amazing. So much space for you to do your Bible journaling. And all of these ones to actually, all of these coloring here on the side, these are verses, and then on this side you have here where you can finish out the prayer. So it's absolutely gorgeous. Just a beautiful, beautiful Bible. So I hope that this unboxing has really got you excited about joining us for the Fruit of the Spirit Bible Journaling Conference, October 12th through the 14th. And when you register, that is your ticket, your entry to win one of these amazing Bibles. And of course, if you live overseas, so out of the United States, make sure that you make a friend with somebody in the United States so we can ship it to that person, because we do ship these prizes within the United States. So hopefully you can make a friend if you win. Maybe if you make a friend and you win, you can work with them to get it shipped to you, or you can just bless somebody in the United States too. That would be awesome. So I hope that this was a fun unboxing for you. It was most definitely fun for me. I truly enjoyed it, and I cannot wait to see you guys at the conference. I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.